Check it.
Take my order, cause your body like a carry out. Let me walk into your body till you hear me out. Turn me on, my baby, don't you cut me out. Turn me on, my baby, don't you cut me out.
Don't move my shit, man. Oh, baby, what's your name?
Chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking.
Hi my lovelies, it's your girl Tiera.amber and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we have yet again another hair tutorial. I would like to thank Wiggins Hair for sponsoring today's video and providing me with this absolutely gorgeous wig. This is their 24-inch loose deep wave 13x4 HD wig. As you can see, Wiggins did not come to play, okay? Wiggins did not come to play because why does my hair look so good? My expectations were really high for Wiggins Hair because I feel like they are known for having really good wigs. This texture in particular, the loose deep wave wig, is what they're really known for. So when they reached out to me, and I was so excited, I could not wait to get my hands on this wig to really try it out and to see what the girlies were talking about. And yep, this wig is amazing. It's so beautiful. Look at the curl pattern. I have zero product in this hair. I literally just put a little bit of water in the front of it just to bring the waves back a little bit after all my hot combing. This is definitely a summer type of wig, a vacation type of wig. I am 5'2" and the 24-inch reaches about my waist. I do have a size small wig. Anytime I order a wig, I get the size medium. I just feel like that's the standard size, that's the universal size. But this time I was like, let me actually measure my head and really figure out what size I am. And surprisingly, I'm a size small. Small fits perfectly. I don't have that extra wig cap and extra hair in the back of my head that can really make it seem like you have a helmet head, that the wig is like a hat, that type of look. I hate that. If you struggle with how your wigs fit on you, measure your head and make sure you're ordering the right size for you. I never would have thought to order a small wig for my head. I thought my head was, you know, pretty average size, but I guess I have a little bean head. Just make sure you are measuring your head because the size of the wig definitely affects your install. I did follow this other creator's tutorial, Akibia Mikkel, if I'm pronouncing that right. I will have her video linked in the description box below. I followed her whole entire tutorial and I must say I love how my hair turned out. She definitely has really good tips and tricks on how to get a nice, flawless, natural looking install. Feel like I just left the salon. Feels a little bit more professional. And I do believe that I feel that way because I followed her tutorials. I'm definitely gonna have her information down below so that y'all can check her out. Yeah, y'all, this is the hair. It's so pretty. It's so full. I just can't get enough. I'm obsessed. I haven't had wavy hair, curly hair in a minute, so this is definitely a nice little change for me. If you're interested in how I got this look, be sure to keep on watching the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of me. Those post notifications to see the next time I upload. And yeah, let's get into the video.
I'm what
don't gotta know. I got you on the floor, doing things you never thought you'd do. Baby, leave the high heels shoes. There's never way you looking better me. I'm looking up at you, and I don't give a damn. Shawty, watch me knock your boots off, and I'ma love you, girl. Who you need? Ain't no one gon' stop us. Ain't no one gon' stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm rocking your fan. Just fight through the pain. Here's what you want. Here's what you want. Here's what you want. Here's what you want. I'm what you need. I'm what you need. Here's what you want. Here's what you want. Here's what you want. Here's what you want. I'm what you need. I'm what you need. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ain't no one gon' stop us, and I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm rocking your fan, just fight through the pain. Here's what you want. Here's what you want. Here's what you want. Here's what you want. I'm what you need. I'm what you need. Here's what you want. Here's what you want. Here's what you want. Here's what you want. I'm what you need. I'm what you need. Stuck in your face. Just fight through the pain. Here's what you want. Here's what you want. Here's what you want. Here's what you want. I'm what you need. I'm what you need. Here's what you want. Here's what you want. Here's what you want. Here's what you want. I'm what you need. I'm what you need. I got everything you want with me. I do everything he does times 3. And he don't gotta know. I got you on the floor, doing things you never thought you'd do. Baby, leave the high heel shoes. There's never way you looking better me. I'm looking up at you, and I don't give a damn. Shawty, watch me knock your boots off, and I'ma love you, girl. Who you need? Ain't no one gon' stop us. Ain't no one gon' stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm rocking your fan. Just fight through the pain. Here's what you want. Here's what you want.
Everything you want with me, I do. Everything he does times 3. And he don't gotta know I got you on the floor, doing things you never thought you'd do. Baby, leave the high heels shoes. 'Cause never when you're looking better me. I'm looking up at you, and I don't give a damn. Shawty, watch me knock your boots off, and I'ma love you, girl, who you need. Ain't no one gon' stop us. Ain't no one gon' stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm the rock in your veins. Just fight through the pain. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need. I'm what you need. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need. I'm what you need. Whoa, 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 ah. Ain't no one gon' stop us. And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm the rock in your veins. Just fight through the pain. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need. I'm what you need. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. I'm what you need. I'm what you need. Just fight through the pain. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want. He's what you want.
Okay, my girlies, I hope you enjoyed the video. I did follow Akiva Mikhail's tutorial. I will have her information in the description box if you want to check her out as well. Thank you so much to Wiggins Hair again for sending me this amazing unit. It's so beautiful, and I definitely look forward to working with y'all in the future again. All of the deets of this hair will be in the description box, as well as a coupon code for you guys, so make sure you're checking the description box, okay? This all couldn't have turned out any better. I love it. I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching and getting to the end of this video. If you actually got this far, please comment down below green heart so I can know who actually is watching my videos to the end, and if you are, you're a real one. But yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Mwah.
Chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock with